Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know what you all came here for. You came for that Jackie palette, but unfortunately, your girl is sitting here stalking out FedEx. The regular mail ain't even ringing. Like, with my palette, because in a little bit, I'm waiting on my palette because in a little bit we're about to go on a weekend trip to Panama City Beach. So I went ahead and did my full face, and so when the Jackie palette come, I'm gonna do a look with you guys. But I just want y'all to know that your girl out here just hustling, just waiting on this palette to come. So let me just tell y'all a quick story. So I like to go sit outside because sometimes it's cold in my house. I got hypothyroidism. So there's nobody home but me and my 3-year-old. So I'm sitting outside on the porch. And so I had to go take him to daycare because that's where me and his dad exchanged him. So his dad's gonna get him, so I had to take him to daycare. So I call him, Chunky. I need you to clean up his toys. He tell me, Mom, there's a glass door on my house, like a storm door. So he comes to the door, he shows me his pizza, he says, I'm still eating my pizza. I said, okay, well, hurry up, finish up with your pizza and clean up your toys because we gotta go. So I sit there a few more minutes. Y'all, I try to go back in the house. Just dangling up that the door is locked. So I'm panicking. He's 3 years old, he's in the house by himself. There's nobody here but me and him. The other kids at work, my husband are at school, my husband's at work. So my husband has 2 vehicles and he also has a garage opener. So I said, well, maybe he left the garage opener in this car and then take it with the car that he drove to work. So I go, luckily the door was unlocked, no garage door opener. So I go to the back door. I was like, well, my husband always locks the doors. So I was like, let me just go see if for one night, if he forgot to lock the door. So I go to the back door, door is locked. So by this time I'm panicking. I'm like, I'm about to have to call my husband off work and tell him to come let me in the house because my 3-year-old locked me out of the house. So I get back to the front door. Chunky's not in the living room. I guess he's in one of the bedrooms. So I'm just knocking the door, ringing the doorbell. I feel like my baby was ignoring me. I guess he felt sorry for me. He finally came to the door and he's looking at me and I'm like, you locked me out, unlock the lock. So he sit there, he fiddled with the lock for a few seconds and finally he get it unlocked. And I looked at him and y'all, I wanted to pop my baby, but I didn't because I try not to pop him when I'm upset with it. But I looked at him and I was just like, Chunky, don't lock me out the door. That's not nice. But honestly, I really think my baby locked me out the door on purpose because I told him to pick up his toys. If you guys feel that way or you feel like it was an accident, comment down below and let me know, what do you think? It was purpose or not, or accident? But but by the time you guys see this video, I hope I have my palette in my hand. But I'm sitting here, I'm waiting. As soon as they get up here, we're gonna just jump straight into the palette. It'll be a little bit for me, but hopefully it's just only gonna be a second for you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Okay, you guys, I know we said we was gonna jump straight into this palette, but I just kind of want to give an explanation because I told one of my viewers I was gonna have this video up on Friday when I got my palette. So I will look totally different because it's a completely different 2 days later. So what happened is that I'm sitting here waiting on FedEx for them to bring my package. I get an email saying that FedEx is gonna give my package to the USPS and that they're gonna deliver it on Friday. Well, the USPS didn't receive the package until 10 a.m. Friday morning. So therefore my package wasn't gonna come to Saturday. Me and my husband planned an impromptu trip for the weekend to go to the beach, and so I had to leave Friday to go to the beach. And so my palette was sitting in my mailbox on Saturday, but I just came home. It's Sunday. I just got straight out of the car, try to throw on some foundation so I can look kind of presentable, and so I could give you guys a look. But my palette is here finally. So this is the box that it came in. It's the Jackie Aina in APH. I don't want to blind you guys because it's very reflective, but the box is shimmery and like reflective, just like the palette is when Jackie did it. Now I love the packaging, but I never tried an ABH palette before, so I'm gonna tell you guys something. As soon as I open it up, it smelled like chemicals. If you watch some of my past videos, I opened up a brand new Tarte eyeshadow and it smelled so good, but as soon as I opened this, it smelled like open up some new Morphe brushes. You know how you open up some new brushes and they got that chemical scent, and it smells so chemically. So I don't know anything about ABH formula because I hadn't used it. I'm going to show you guys the palette. It's actually beautiful. There are a couple of little changes. I wish this purple and this pink wasn't in here, because to me those are kind of summer colors. If they would have replaced this pink with maybe like a darky orangey color, maybe put like a dark blue here, I would have felt like this palette would have stood out more. But I like this color. I just would have like a burnt orange. I was gonna do swatches for you guys, but I'm just trying to get this up quick. As y'all know, I have to go to work tomorrow, which is 2 away from my house, so 2 hours away from my house, and I hadn't decided whether I'm going to drive over tonight or go tomorrow. So I'm not gonna do swatches. Maybe I'll do swatches later. I just want to get this video filmed and get it up. So we're gonna I'm gonna do a look with you guys. I said I was gonna keep it simple. We're gonna use 3 colors. And the 3 colors that we're gonna use, the first color we're gonna use is ginger, which is this color. We're gonna take this in our crease. We're gonna take the color Credit on the outside corner, and we're gonna pop this color Sponsored, which is like a greenish type shade. We're gonna pop this on our eyelid. So we're gonna make this a simple look. I already primed my eyes, so I'm just gonna get this. I want to use a new brush because I need to wash my brushes. Put this brush open, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. And we're gonna hope that this palette performs like everybody says ABH palettes performs. Now I'm gonna have to look at a mirror, because if I don't, then I'm not gonna do a great job. But I'm gonna try to sit so you can see. So this is the color Ginger. You know, I don't like this brush too hot, but we're just gonna roll on with it. I don't like this brush for doing this, what I'm doing with it, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the same brush in the color Credit, and we're gonna take this. So far, the mattes, they perform nice. Like the colors, they are performing great. That is a really, really dark color. I didn't realize it was gonna be that dark. I'm just gonna take this down in the crease, but lower than the other color. It's not powdery. You know how you get some colors, they're pigmented, but they're very powdery, and you get fallout. I'm not getting a lot of fallout. The shades are very pigmented, so that's a plus. And it's performing pretty decent. Now I could probably do a little bit better blending, but let's just try to just get this look together. All right, so I'm not gonna do a cut crease today. I'm just gonna take a wet shader brush and just go in with the shimmer color. I found my Fix Plus, so we're gonna wet a flat shader brush with the Fix Plus or whatever spray it is that you use at home. And we're gonna go in with the shade Sponsored over the lid. I think this shimmer shade is working pretty good, but also I feel like, you know, ColourPop shimmer shades work pretty good too. So is it, you know, you don't have to buy an expensive palette. It just depends on the brand of palette you get to get good colors. All right, so I'm gonna take that fluffy brush that we had. We're just gonna go back over this and just kind of blend those together. So you can pop some liner on here, pop an eyelash on here, pop a liner, pop some liner, pop some mascara, pop some lashes, you know, and you have a good look. I was gonna do the other eye off camera. I don't know if you guys can actually see me doing this eye. So we'll go on and push through. But so far I like this palette. I just wish that pink and that purple wasn't in here. I wish somebody would make a palette and don't put a daggone pink in there. You know what I mean? Like, pink is a good color and I like it and all, but I don't want pink in every palette that I own. I don't need a pink shade in there. I promise you I do not. I will survive if you do not put a pink shade in every palette. And Too Faced is notorious. I don't think they own a palette without a pink shade. Okay. That was the shade Ginger. We're gonna go in with the shade Credit. So far this palette, the 3 colors that I've used have performed very well. It's not powdery, not a lot of fallout. It's not a powdery mist, which is good. My bases, when I do my eyeshadows, I usually use like 2 to 3 colors. I always use a darker color on the outer, a lighter color in my crease, and then throw a shimmer on your lid. That's like basic eyeshadow 101. We're gonna go back in color sponsored. That's basic eyeshadow 101. That's usually the method that everybody, you know, uses to just get a good everyday look, or even if you're going out. It's just a good, cute, simple look. Now, if you want to go into bright colors, you could do 2 colors, 3 colors. You can mix it up. You can make it. You can use as much or as little as you would like. It's up to your preference, but just for a good basic look, beginners, 3 colors is a good way to get you a nice, good look. Just remember to put the dark on the outside, the lighter in your crease, and to just go over with a shimmer shade. And that gets you a good basic look. All right, so if you see, I have a nice completed look. It's look nice. I like it. I would wear this out. I would wear this to work maybe. I don't know about the green because I wear scrubs, and the green may not go with the scrubs that I'm wearing depending on where I'm working at. I want you guys to know that I'm very excited to receive this palette, and I'm so happy. I'm just disappointed in how long that it took me to get my palette and get my video up. I thought it was gonna be way quicker and be a better experience. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you girls some swatches. I just put them at the end of the video so you'll know, if you don't want to watch them, you don't have to watch them. So we're gonna swatch this front row first. We're gonna start with the color Soil. It's a gold shimmer shade. We're gonna go with Supreme. It's a pink shade. You see these swatches? I'm gonna go with Pinker. That's a nice swatch. And this is, that's Big Wig. This is Dollars. This is a shimmer shade, and it's just, I think it'll perform better on a wet brush. Okay, so we're gonna go into Credit. Credit is one of the colors that we use. It's a dark brown. We're gonna go into Little Wishing. I don't know what Jackie come up with these names for these colors, but she did. That's a pretty shimmer. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the color Zam, which is I still got my armband on from the resort, which is another, it's more of a glittery shimmer, but it's a shimmer, it's not a glitter. It's just more shinier than the other one. We got Wooglies. I haven't even watched any videos on this. I didn't even watch Jackie Aina full video on her palette. I watched the introduction to her palette, but I didn't want to see any reviews or anything because I didn't want it to taint my opinion. This is the color Shockington. We got Trust Issues. I think the colors in this are very pretty, very bright, but I think the palette performs well. There's no question about how the palette performs. It definitely performed well from the colors that I've used. Now, if I continue to use it and it doesn't perform well, I may film some more looks with this palette for you guys. That's the color Edges. Just so we can get some use out of it and we can see, make sure the whole palette is good. But so far, the palette has performed. That's the color Sponsored that we use on our lid. This is the shade Ginger that we took in our crease. So the palette performed well. These are some swatches. The swatches look good. I just wanted to get up a first impressions video. I just wanted to put this out for you girls, and maybe next week when I'm working, maybe I could do like a little get ready with me for work, and we could use this palette and we could do some more looks into it, because I wanted to do more looks, but just the way everything happened, I'm just not able to do that time-wise today. And I want to get this up for you girls as soon as I can. But thank you guys for supporting my channel and for subscribing. Please like the video and leave me some comments down below if you've already purchased this and have tried it, or if you're planning on purchasing this, or it's just not something that you're interested in. But thank you guys for joining me. Thank you.